Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites so activation goes smoothly. First, make sure your iPhone 14 Pro Max is online via Wi-Fi or cellular, because iMessage needs network contact with Apple. Next, sign into your Apple ID in Settings if you haven't. iMessage ties to that account. Also confirm date and time are set to automatic to prevent activation errors. Once done, navigate to Settings and prepare to open the Messages section. That's where activation begins. Now enable iMessage directly. Open Settings, tap Messages, and toggle iMessage on. The phone contacts Apple and attempts activation. If you see waiting for activation, remain patient. It can take minutes up to 24 hours, so don't repeatedly toggle it. Next, tap Send and Receive to confirm your phone number and Apple ID email appear and are checked. This decides how people reach you. Make sure your correct number is selected for new conversations. Then test by sending an iMessage to yourself. Finish by verifying iMessage sends as blue bubbles. Send a message to another Apple device or to your own alternate address. Delivery as an iMessage confirms success. If it still shows green or activation failed, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart the iPhone, then sign back in. This refreshes authentication. If activation requires SMS and still fails, contact your carrier to ensure SMS activation messages are allowed. One key tip: check for carrier or Apple service outages before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.